How to view your purchase history on Temu app. Let's get started. Launch your Temu. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will be directed to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of view. Once you're in the view page here, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of your orders. Click on it. Now here you're gonna find different sections as processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. Click on the option of delivered. Over here you're gonna find your purchase history. In this section you're gonna find the list of the items that you have purchased. Likewise, click on the option of all orders. Over here you're gonna find the list of the orders that are in the process to be shipped. Likewise, if you are searching for a specific item, click on the option of self-service to find order. Different options will appear as phone number, email address, order ID, and payment information. Using any of the option, you can easily find your specific order. So go ahead and select the option. I have selected payment information. Once you select it, you have to provide the details. As I have selected the payment information, I have to update the payment details. After you fill it, click on the option of find order. With that, you will be able to find your order. So this way you can easily view your purchase history on Temu app. This was really simple and quick process. If you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.